So, Madonnas, good afternoon, good night, depends on where you are watching this video. So, it's story time. And I am a Jamaican and I love to talk about my Jamaican people, whether shed a light on the good or the bad, whichever, but I like to share my views and whatever is going on. Um, and I like to motivate and encourage others as well. So, that's who I am. I like to share talk about things that is going on in our community, whether the good, the bad, and the ugly. But this is what this platform is about. Um, Encouragement, things about myself, and just share some light on whatever going on, but not everything. I'm not going to touch every single topic, but how I feel depends on the day when I decided to talk. That's what I will talk about. So I was watching this video earlier, and the young lady was saying that you can't treat a woman a certain way. But I want to play the video. It's a very short clip, and I wanna talk about this today. This is what we're gonna talk about. But guess what? I'm looking for your support in the in comment section. Share your views, how you feel about this topic. Whenever I am having a topic, guys, I don't know where you're going, but you're sleeping on the topic. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this, because I have something to say, but just listen to this. This is just a few seconds. I don't think it's a minute, but let's go. Let me turn my phone up. You can't be nice in the beginning to a female. Yep. You cannot be so spoiled from the beginning, and guess what? Your respect lose when you don't have the hands out every Yep. Your respect gone, brother, because you started out wrong. When you start out as a giver, you will never gain that respect as a man from a female. You hear me? I tell you? Yeah. They just like it because you're a giver. You can't be nice in the beginning to a female. So just couple seconds. You cannot be nice in the beginning to a female. And as a woman point of view, I want you guys to share your feedback towards that to me in the comment section. Highlight me with some of the things them, and if you think what she said was truth, let me know in the comment section. I have a person in my life before. He was a giver, but when we just started the relationship, I didn't get that kind of giving from him, but afterward, he was a giver. Did I respect him the same? Of course, but he hurts my feelings, and that's why um, we were trying to mend it, but he couldn't mend. And giving, it made me feel like light. But I was very young. It made me feel light and giddy-headed and just feel like he's all over me and all that stuff. But at that time, as I said, I was like 19. So I didn't grow up. I was still young. And he would give me whatever I asked for. He would give that to me. Um, I don't know. I grew up to be an independent woman, and I like to have my own thing. Like I like to achieve my own. So if my partner wants to be a giver to me, then I will accept it. But to get up and just spoil me, I wouldn't want a man to do that. That is my view on that. But I don't know how other women feel. I'm just speaking of myself. I am going to tell you this story where I know of someone right this minute that said, because the person is like the person spoil them. I don't think they motivate them to do it. They just always depending on that person to give them what they want. So because of that, all she's in the relationship for is the giving. Yes, I have a friend who told me that, and right now is she's in that relationship. She's not working. She's not doing anything for herself, and because she's spoiled by the partner, and she doesn't love the guy. She's not trying to do anything for herself, and she doesn't love the guy. So let me take my socks off. Gotta stop wearing socks. It stopped my circulation. Just wear it to go outside and come back. But yes, that person, she does not want to work, and she's just in the relationship because of giving. And I think that's just wrong.
Yeah, I just think that wrong, but I'm just looking to hear what you guys says. Yeah. So I'm just looking to see what you guys said in the comment section because I'm just one person and I know this other lady that she told me that story and let me see. Hmm. I just feel like if you spoil a woman too much, they can use that as an advantage because when I was 19, a similar situation happened to me. There was this other man that really likes me and I didn't want him because he would want to spoil me too, but I was not interested in him, so I really didn't take his things. But it's like when you come off a certain way, like you want to buy somebody, it's more like you're buying love. So I would say let it fall organically. I keep holding up my head like this. I need to stop. Let it fall organically in a relationship where you guys communicate more. Who is that? What you do here? Me not understand. You can't understand this. If you say I start working 11 o'clock, is that you say? Eh? And that you say? You say I start working 11 o'clock. Me cannot keep up. You say I go early and then you go start working 11 o'clock. Me not expect you know.
I'm cancel my work for today.
My husband just come home from work and him distract me and me no remember nothing when me that talk about. But anyway, guys, leave a feedback in the comment section. Please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.